Big Daddy, I'm bored. What do you want to do tonight?
Thirsty Thursday.
Yeah. But then what?
How do you like apples?
Here's a list of things that you'll need. A pie pan. Some type of cooking oil and a paper towel to lubricate your pie pan. And then you will need 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, 5 apples, a bowl, a half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and some flour, a pint glass, and your favorite beer. Open your beer, pour it into the pint glass, and set it off to the side. Now peel your apples into thin slices. I'm going to have to transfer these to a bigger bowl. Add your half a cup of sugar, your tablespoon of cinnamon. Also add a tablespoon of flour. Mix well. Now that you have it mixed, set it aside. Take your pie pan and go ahead and put a thin layer of cooking spray or cooking oil into your pie pan. Now set that aside. Take some of the flour and flour your surface. Now open one of the cans of the cinnamon rolls. What you're going to do is take the cinnamon rolls on your floured surface and either pat them out or roll them out with a rolling pin until they're about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch thick. And now put it in your pie pan. And then repeat the process. On your floured surface, pat or roll out your cinnamon roll to about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick and put it in your pie pan. Repeat until the pie pan is full. It's going to look something like this. Now add your sliced apples that have been coated with sugar and cinnamon and a little bit of flour and arrange them in your pie pan. And set it aside. And go ahead and put a little bit more flour out on your surface. And with the remainder of the second can of cinnamon rolls, pat them out to about the same thickness and arrange them on the top of your pie until it looks like this. And then go around and kind of press the edges of the cinnamon rolls together to close up any of the gaps. Now you're going to need to cover it with either aluminum foil or a tin foil or some kind of a foil baking pan, because I didn't have any aluminum foil, so that's what I used. And you're going to put it in an oven preheated to 350. for 35 minutes. Oh, and don't forget the icing packets. We're going to use those later. Now, while you're waiting, enjoy your beer. It's so refreshing. And share some of those apple peels with your dogs. They're a great treat. My dogs love them. Well, except for Sissy. She's not a big fan, but Nude sure loves them. Now the 35 minutes is up. Turn off your timer. Ooh, that's boiled over quite a bit. I'm going to have to clean my oven. It's all right. Not mad about that. Look at that pie! Take the cover off and cook it for 10 minutes longer. When the timer goes off, turn off your oven. Oh my gosh! Look! We're going to set this right here for just a minute. Gaze at its beautifulness. And I'm also going to add those 2 packets of the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls onto the top. It's really thick, so I'm going to do it while it's hot so it melts into the pie. And we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, I want to dig into it right now. It is so dense, cutting through the cinnamon rolls as far as it being the top crust and the bottom crust, and then all of those slices of apples. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Here we go. Are you guys ready? And there she is. Oh my God. Look at the steam coming off of that. Beautiful.
Let's see how she goes.
We can turn that light off. Look at the steam! Look at the layers! This voice will be in. Well, is it the best of 2 worlds?
Oh my God.
Your face is so cute. Thanks for hanging out with me and Big Daddy on our Hey, we're bored, let's do something tonight. Well, we made our apple cinnamon roll pie. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important.
And leave her good comments, because that makes her build more of this stuff for me.
I'll talk to you soon.